Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 1551.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, we're going to talk about stocks continuing their bullish stance. Now, that's not always the case in August. Sometimes August has the reputation of being a rough month for stocks historically, but this year, the three main U.S. indexes are on course for gains, and not just gains, but pretty strong gains, with the S&P up 2% this month, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining 2.9%, and the Nasdaq up 2%. After hours today, NVIDIA reports its earnings, and we're expecting that to be probably a blowout quarter again. The darling of AI stocks, and everything has been favorable with expectations that NVIDIA will report a 53% rise in second quarter revenue to $46 billion, according to LSEG data. Investors are also interested in what's going on with NVIDIA's China business and what's going on with tariff talks and chip trade curbs. I suspect that NVIDIA will have a good report, and that will further propel markets higher. We also have more economic data coming out this week. We have gross domestic product growth for the second quarter and July's pending home sales coming out tomorrow morning. The big release of the week will be the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. That comes out on Friday and will give us fresh insights into the health of the United States economy. Year to date, the S&P 500 is up 10.27%. The Dow is up 7.03%, and the Nasdaq is up 11.71%. The big standouts this month are, again, the mining stocks, which have been up sharply, up over 4%. For the junior gold miners and the large gold miners, GDXJ and GDX, giving them an astronomical year-to-date return of 76.85% for the small miners and 79.36% for the large mining companies. Mind you, that's a year-to-date return, not a one-year return, so it's still going and could possibly finish higher. I would expect to see some profit-taking in the miners before the price possibly moves higher. Of course, cryptocurrencies have also been extremely strong this year, with XRP up 42% year-to-date, Bitcoin up 18% year-to-date, Ethereum up 35% year-to-date. So we'll look forward to all of the new, fresh economic data coming out, and that will give us some more clarity as to what to expect for the rest of this year. If you haven't subscribed to Be Wealthy and Smart, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified as soon as new podcasts are available. And all of my podcasts are on my website at lindapjones.com/podcasts. And while you're there, sign up for my weekly newsletter for more wealth tips for your financial freedom. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.